It's so nice to be back. After 7 years, I'm back in Porto. Hi, friends, Filipino friends. Yeah, we've invited them. Hello, thank you for making time.
Zoraya.
Zoraya, wow!
Ikaw ate?
Yvette.
Nice to meet you. Hello po. Hello.
Hello, I'm Dindin.
Dindin. Matagal na kayo dito?
Oh, matagal na, mga 10 years. Ito yung pinakamatagal.
Uy, sobra.
Si Mark!
Director also.
No, I'm the producer.
The producer. You're the
Take a photo
producer.
with me also.
Yes,
Like Dora.
I did very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hindi na pala yun.